Welcome back to CARHOW, where we explore the future of luxury and performance on wheels. Today's episode is something truly extraordinary. Imagine the elegance of Cadillac combined with the freedom of the open road, wrapped inside a rolling mansion designed for 2026. This is the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome, a bold vision of what ultra-luxury travel could look like in the near future. Cadillac has long been a symbol of American luxury. From iconic sedans to modern electric SUVs, the brand has consistently represented comfort, prestige, and advanced technology. Now, imagine that same philosophy applied to a full-scale motorhome. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is not just an RV, it's a statement. It's designed for those who want five-star hotel comfort wherever they travel, without sacrificing style, innovation, or presence on the road. From the very first glance, the exterior design commands attention. The front fascia carries Cadillac's signature bold grille, finished in polished chrome with an illuminated emblem that glows subtly at night. Vertical LED headlights stretch downward in a dramatic light signature, giving the motorhome a futuristic yet unmistakably Cadillac identity. The body is long, sleek, and sculpted with aerodynamic lines that reduce drag despite its massive size. In a deep shine black metallic finish, the vehicle looks less like a traditional RV and more like a luxury limousine stretched into a grand touring coach. The side profile is elegant and smooth, with tinted panoramic windows running nearly the entire length of the cabin. Chrome accents outline the windows and lower panels, reflecting light beautifully in both daylight and showroom settings. Large premium alloy wheels support the structure, designed not only for durability, but also for visual impact. Even the side mirrors are aerodynamic and feature integrated cameras, eliminating blind spots and enhancing safety. Step inside and the experience transforms completely. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome interior feels more like a private jet lounge than a road vehicle. As you enter, soft ambient lighting welcomes you. The flooring features a marble-inspired design, polished and durable, yet warm underfoot thanks to integrated heating. The walls combine premium wood paneling with soft-touch materials, creating a cozy yet upscale atmosphere. The front cockpit area blends advanced technology with comfort. The driver's seat is a fully adjustable leather captain's chair with heating, ventilation, and massage functions. The digital dashboard stretches across the entire front panel, offering navigation, vehicle diagnostics, entertainment controls, and camera views in crystal-clear resolution. A heads-up display projects key information onto the windshield, allowing the driver to focus on the road while staying fully informed. Behind the cockpit lies the main living area. Plush leather sofas in black or cream line the sides, offering seating for multiple guests. These sofas can recline electrically and convert into additional sleeping spaces if needed. A central smart table folds out for dining or meetings, complete with wireless charging pads and hidden storage compartments. One of the highlights of the living space is the entertainment system. A large, ultra-thin smart TV rises from a concealed cabinet at the touch of a button. Surround sound speakers are integrated into the ceiling panels, delivering theater-quality audio. Whether you are streaming movies, watching sports, or enjoying music, the sound clarity rivals that of a premium home system. Moving toward the middle section, you'll find a fully equipped gourmet kitchen. The countertops are crafted from high-end stone material, resistant to scratches and heat. There's an induction cooktop, a convection microwave oven, a full-size refrigerator, and even a compact dishwasher. Soft close cabinets provide ample storage for cookware and groceries. LED strip lighting under the cabinets ensures excellent visibility while adding a luxurious glow. The bathroom area is equally impressive. Unlike traditional RV bathrooms, this one feels spacious and refined. It features a walk-in shower with glass enclosure, rainfall shower head, and premium fixtures finished in brushed metal. The sink is mounted on a stylish vanity with storage drawers beneath, and the toilet is designed with advanced water-saving technology. Every detail is carefully considered to balance luxury with practicality. At the rear of the motorhome lies the master bedroom suite. A king-size bed dominates the space, complete with a leather-upholstered headbed and soft premium bedding. Ambient lighting surrounds the ceiling edges, allowing you to adjust the mood from bright morning light to soft evening relaxation. On either side of the bed are built-in nightstands with USB ports and wireless charging surfaces. Large wardrobes with integrated lighting provide storage for extended travel, and panoramic side windows with automated curtains allow natural light to fill the room during the day. Technology plays a central role throughout the vehicle. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is expected to include advanced driver assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. Semi-autonomous driving capabilities may also be integrated, allowing for more relaxed highway cruising. Solar panels on the roof help power interior systems, reducing reliance on external hookups and increasing sustainability. Performance is another important factor. While official details may vary, this motorhome could be powered by a high-output hybrid or fully electric drivetrain, delivering impressive torque for smooth acceleration despite its size. Air suspension ensures a stable and comfortable ride, automatically adjusting to road conditions. Sound insulation throughout the cabin minimizes outside noise, creating a serene environment even at highway speeds. Now, let's talk about pricing. A luxury vehicle of this scale and sophistication would not come cheap. Based on comparable high-end motorhomes and Cadillac's premium positioning, the estimated starting price for the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome could range from $450,000 to $600,000, depending on customization and drivetrain options. Fully loaded models with bespoke interior finishes, upgraded entertainment systems, and advanced autonomous features could easily exceed $750,000. For buyers in this segment, however, the value lies in exclusivity, comfort, and the ability to travel anywhere without compromising lifestyle. Customization will likely be a major selling point. Buyers could choose from various exterior colors, interior themes, wood trims, leather finishes, and technology packages. Some might opt for a mobile office setup with workstations and high-speed satellite internet, while others might prioritize entertainment and relaxation features for family travel. In terms of competition, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome would stand alongside other ultra-luxury RV brands, but its advantage lies in brand heritage and design identity. Cadillac's reputation for innovation and luxury could attract buyers who want something distinct from traditional European motorhome manufacturers. Safety, comfort, performance, and prestige all come together in this remarkable concept. The idea of driving a Cadillac that doubles as a luxury apartment on wheels perfectly aligns with modern travel trends. As remote work becomes more common and people seek flexible lifestyles, vehicles like this could redefine what it means to explore the world. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome represents more than transportation. It symbolizes freedom combined with uncompromising elegance. Whether parked at a scenic coastal overlook, cruising across desert highways, or displayed inside a high-end showroom, it makes a powerful impression. What do you think about this futuristic luxury motorhome? Would you invest in a rolling mansion like this if you had the opportunity? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome, make sure to subscribe to CARHOW for more exciting automotive content. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who love luxury vehicles and innovative designs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.